How to set up free shipping in Shopify easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up free shipping in Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify store and you will get right here to the admin. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your settings right here at the bottom. Inside your settings, you will find this panel, and here we have shipping and delivery right here. Select it and it will open up all of the different shipping and delivery options for us. And here we will set free shipping. To do that, you will have to scroll down a little bit to the pricing. Right here we have shipping rates. Click on manage. All right, so we have different products selected. We can add different shipping for different products basically. So you're going to scroll down a little bit and here click on add rate. Once you click on add rate, now you're going to give it a name. I'm going to call it standard, and you have to enter a price. If you enter an amount here, for example, $10 or $2 or $5 for the shipping, that means there is a price. But if you leave this option, like here you enter 0, then it shows you free shipping. So you just don't have to enter anything here. Don't enter any amount, or you can just enter 0. So that means it's going to be free shipping. Click on done and free shipping will be created. So now you can see it shows you free shipping. And now you can add this shipping to different products. Select different products that provide free shipping and free shipping will be set. Click on save. You're good to go. If this was a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.